watching DelmarvaLife, and there is nothing like sunshine and a sweet ride. The Chincoteague Bike Shop helps make that happen.
We rent cruiser bikes and we also rent electric bikes. And I don't know if you've ever tried an e-bike, but e-bikes are sweeping the country. Everyone loves them. They're so much fun to ride.
Owner Rich Alloway's been in biz about a year, and already the wheels of growth are turning.
This year we're expanding and we're getting into sales, and also we've become a full service repair shop. So we have the ability to repair any type of bike of any kind, including electric bikes.
Why the excitement over electric bikes, you might wonder? An array of riding options.
You can pedal manually without any electricity. Then you have what's called pedal assist, which helps you pedal along. So if you're feeling a little tired or the wind's blowing in your face, you can add a little pedal assist, and that helps you move along a little faster or keep you moving. Or then you can go straight electricity.
Contrary to what folks might think, these are a great option for anybody at any age.
I think one of the biggest things people don't understand is they can pedal as much as they want to pedal. They can use electricity or they can do it manually. And I tell people that you can use as much energy as you want. For myself, I've ridden bikes my whole life. When I first got on an e-bike, what I found is that I usually now ride further than I ever rode before, because I know that if I get out far, I can use some electricity to get back if I get tired. Okay, so the great thing is we can just start off by using electricity. Just go ahead and real slow and get us going.
Oh, here we go.
Okay, ready? There we go.
Yeah.
Then we can start pedaling.
Yep.
So remember, like we talked about, you have seven gears you can shift and ride manually. You can press the buttons up over here to get some pedal assist.
Yeah.
Or you can use straight electricity. So these bikes do all three things. They also have a maximum speed of 20 miles an hour, which that makes it a level 2 bicycle. With a level 2 or under, you can go in any parks. They don't have regulations. Once you get above level 2 to level 3s and above, that's where your speed comes into play, 25, 35 miles an hour, and they're going to start regulating. In fact, most places have banned bikes that fast.
Really?
Yeah, which I agree with. I don't think you want them that fast going through parks and public spaces like that. So
Even 20 miles an hour on a bike feels very fast.
yeah, 20 is good.
Yeah.
And then so we can also stop pedaling.
Stop pedaling.
And then we can just use the electricity.
Use my little throttle here.
Use the throttle.
Ooh!
And then take off.
That's wild. It kind of feels like almost half motorcycle.
Yeah, half motorcycle.
Here we go. Want me to take off, Rich?
Go ahead, you ready? Let's take off.
See ya!
Whoa, I'm gonna get you.
Rich says the majority of folks who rent e-bikes here are doing so for the first time. And whether they're older and trying to stay active or younger and looking for adventure, the feedback is always phenomenal.
I can't tell you how many hundreds and hundreds of people, older folks, that have come through here, and when they get back, they say to me, oh my gosh, this has been amazing.
Perhaps this town's enchanting atmosphere has a little something to do with it, too.
From my shop, you go straight out Maddox, less than half a mile, and you're on the bike trail over to Chincoteague, and there's all kinds of paved bike trails over there.
Rich says folks can reserve bikes online. The majority of their business, though, is walk-ins. Folks may get so excited about e-bikes they want to purchase one. Rich has a few things to say.
Anyone who's interested in buying an e-bike, come in and talk to us. We'll share what knowledge we know of the good brands. The brands that we know are reputable. You don't have to buy it directly from us. You can buy any brand you want. You can have it shipped here. We'll put it together for you, and then we'll service it for you as well.
Rich invites folks to come try the e-bikes here before purchases, too. He'll also let you borrow a helmet for free because he says you can't put a price on safety. Also priceless, the overall experience.
The great thing about bikes is they allow you to get outside, see the landscape, see the beauty of nature, particularly here on Chincoteague, ride around Chincoteague, see the ponies, see all kinds of wildlife. It's great to do with people together as a group event, but also just for yourself, just to get out and get away and get with nature.
Seriously, guys, this thing is so cool. I just can't get enough, so I'm gonna keep on riding. DelmarvaLife, we'll be right back. Catch me if you can.